Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
If you drink milk on a golden pot or an iron pot, the taste is the same. You cannot change the taste of the milk or anything putting into the golden pot. But these foolish persons, they are thinking that our material pleasures will be very much enjoyable when it is put into the golden pot instead of iron pot. Mula, they are called mula. They do not know our real business is how to get out of this material body. That is, janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha devasana darsana. This is real knowledge. One should keep in his front that my real distance of life are these four things. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. To take birth, to die, to become old, and to become diseased. This is my problem. But they do not know this. They are now busy with the petroleum problem. Yes. Yes, they created this petroleum problem, this horseless tin carriage. They are thinking very much at home. Now I have got this tin carriage. As soon as it is old, it has no value. You throw it into the street, especially in your country, nobody takes care of it. But one must have this carriage, and you must run on petrol and take labor, so hard labor, go to the desert, drill it, and then take out the oil, then bring it in tanks, and it is called Ugra Karma. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita, that these rascals, demons, they have created Ugra Karma simply for trouble to the whole people. That's all. Khayaya jagata ahita. And bringing destruction nearer. Near. Now there is war going on. And there may be big war, that means destruction. Simply for creating a little comfort. Formally also their moving transport was there. But they do not like to remain in the formal ways because they have no other engagement. Better engagement they do not know. Here is a better engagement to come before Radha Krishna and glorify the Lord and to understand our relationship. This is our real business. But nobody is interested in the real business. They are interested in superfluous engagement. Whole day work in the office, then come here, go to the club, go to the football club, tennis club. In this way they have invented simply how to waste valuable life of this human form. They have invented. They have no sense that how this life should be utilized for stopping these the prime problems, janma mrityu jara. They do not. So this Bhagavatam is giving to the whole world real life, real what is meant by life. So these are the etiquette. To take care, especially of Brahmana, old men, children, women, and cow. This is civilization. These living entities should be taken care of. Now these rascals, they are killing cows, they are making women prostitutes, and killing the children even in the womb, and there is no question of Brahman respect, and neither there is Brahman culture. Then how can we happy? And if there is no Brahminical culture in the society, then that society is less than animal society. Therefore we offer our prayers. Namo Brahmana Devaya, Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha, Jagadhitaya, Krishnaya, Govindaya, Namo Namo. First reference is given, Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha, Jagadhitaya. If you actually want to do some welfare activity for the benefit of the whole world, then these two things must be taken care of. Go Brahmana Hitaya, cows and Brahman. They should be given first protection. Then Jagadhita, then there will be actual welfare of the whole world. They do not know. Krisi Go Raksha Vanijam, Go Raksha Vanijam, Vaishya Karma Sabhava. This is the duty of the mercantile class of man, to improve agriculture, to give protection to the cows. Kisi Guru, Vanijam. And if you have got excess food, you can trade Vanijam. And this is the business. The Brahmana is meant for doing the brain work. They give advice. Just as we, Krishna consciousness movement, we are not meant for the Kshatriya's business or Vaishya's business. The devotees, but if required, they can take. The real business is, Brahmana's business is to know the Vedas, the Brahma, the Supreme Brahma, the absolute truth. He must know and he must distribute the knowledge. This is Brahmana. Kirtantam. Satatam kirtantanama. Jatantastadiramprata. This is Brahmana business. So, we are taking this business that preach that there is God. We have got an intimate relationship with God. So you act accordingly, then you will be happy. This is our Krishna consciousness. These rascals, they have forgotten, or they do not care to know God. And that is the cause of their suffering. Yesterday that press reporter asked, what was the question?
Can you just help solve the oil petroleum?
Yes, so what I answered.
Yes, why not?
You did not remember?
Yes, so the solution is already there.
Yes, actually, that is the fact. But they will not take to it. They will not take it. Now, what is the problem? It is not at all difficult. There is petrol, and it is meant for our use. But the difficulty is that the Arabians, they are thinking it is money.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.